High drama at the cyclone review meeting in Bengal. Sources tell India Today Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankad waited for about 30 minutes for Chief Minister to attend the review meeting. Sources also say Mamata Banerjee did come to the meeting. She just handed over certain documents and left. Attacking the Chief Minister, Bengal Governor tweeted that it would have served the interests of the state and its people if the Chief Minister would have attended the review meeting of the Prime Minister. Confrontational stance ill serves interests of state or democracy. Non-participation by the Chief Minister and officials not in sync with constitutionalism or rule of law. Mamata Banerjee says she wasn't aware of this meeting, but she still handed over documents to the Prime Minister. India Today's Suryagni Roy now joins me for more on this story. Suryagni, it is said that the Chief Minister was there but did not attend the meeting. She wasn't there for about half an hour, then went, just gave some documents and came back. What happened?
Well, Gaurav, an extremely interesting day, or rather the past 2 hours have been extremely interesting. Mamata Banerjee had, stated that she would not, be a part of the review meeting that would last from 2:30 till 3:30, which would have the governor, Shubhendu Adhikari, who is the MLA of Nandigram, her former party colleague, now who is the leader of opposition, and also the district administrators. Now, what Mamata Banerjee stated was that she has taken some, time from the Prime Minister, and she would be meeting him in person today itself, and would be, submitting a couple of documents which would, speak of the total damages that have been, borne by the state, the number of, total damages that have happened due to Yas. Now, Mamata Banerjee arrived just a while before the Prime Minister arrived, and there was a very short meeting between these two, where only the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister were present. Mamata Banerjee, handed over the documents, and then she left for Digha, where she has a review meeting with her local administrators and also an aerial tour of Digha and the nearing areas. So this is the first time, Gaurav. The reason why this meeting, this very one-on-one meeting, is very interesting is that after the results of the 2021 West Bengal elections, this was the first time that Mamata Banerjee met the Prime Minister. However, there was a virtual meeting, but in person, this is the first time both of them met, and they met in in absolute. There was no audience to this meeting. Only these two individuals, the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister. However,
but Suryagni, the point that is being made
has tweeted and slammed Mamata Banerjee.
That Mamata Banerjee says she wasn't aware of a meeting with the Prime Minister. The schedule was known to all, that the Prime Minister would be visiting the state, would be meeting, there would be a meeting with the Chief Minister and other officials, there would be a review meeting. So where was the communication gap, Suryagni? Any clarity on that?
Well, Mamata Banerjee did not speak to, after the meeting, she hasn't really spoken as of yet. She will, conduct a meeting wherein she will make it public, and she will speak on the issues that have rather bothered her, or so, if there were any issues. But right now, she did meet the Prime Minister, and as she stated earlier, that she would be meeting the Prime Minister in person, and however, she wouldn't be a party to the entire review meeting that lasted for almost an hour, which had the governor and Shubhendu Adhikari and local administrators of the districts of the coastal districts which were affected.
Suryagni, stay with me for a moment. Mamata Banerjee, of course, says she wasn't even aware that there was a meeting, but since she was there, she went and handed over documents to the Prime Minister. Let's listen into Mamata Banerjee.
Prime Minister একটা মিটিং ডেকেছিলেন, কিন্তু আমরা তো জানতাম না আমাদের দীঘায় প্রোগ্রাম ছিল, সুতরাং তবুও আমরা সেখান থেকে আবার কলাইকুণ্ডায় গিয়েছিলাম। এবং কলাইকুণ্ডায় গিয়ে প্রধানমন্ত্রীর হাতে আমাদের যা ক্ষয়ক্ষতি হয়েছে তার একটা রিপোর্ট, আমার সাথে চিফ সেক্রেটারি আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় ছিল, আমরা হাতে তুলে দিয়ে বলেছি এইটা হচ্ছে আমাদের রিপোর্ট এবং আপনি যা ভালো বুঝবেন তাই করবেন। দীঘা ডেভেলপমেন্টের জন্য 10,000 কোটি টাকার যদি একটা প্যাকেজ করা যায়, আর একটা সুন্দরবন ডেভেলপমেন্ট করার জন্য যদি 10,000 কোটি টাকার প্যাকেজ করা যায়, এই 20,000 কোটি টাকার প্যাকেজের কথা আমরা বলেছি।
So, Mamata Banerjee, Suryagni says she wasn't aware of this meeting, but she has made certain demands. Do we know the contents of that letter about Digha development and Sundarbans development?
Well, Gaurav, Digha and Sundarban, these two areas, Digha in East Midnapur and Sundarbans in South 24 Parganas, these were the areas where maximum impact of the effects of the cyclone Yas happened. Now, Digha was almost devastated. However, so were parts of South 24 Parganas, especially parts of Sundarban. So there was, the development that the Chief Minister is speaking about is of, how to rebuild these, tourist centers, and maybe that is the reason why she has claimed for this kind of a package. However, but it was pretty clear that Mamata Banerjee would be speaking on financial terms with the Prime Minister, because yesterday itself the Chief Minister had clearly mentioned that the state has witnessed damages of rupees 15,000 crores. Almost 1 crore people were directly or indirectly affected due to the impact of Cyclone Yas. So it is pretty clear that whatever she has submitted to the Prime Minister, it is on the lines of very much on the lines of a financial package that the state government would want the central government to grant them, especially after the landfall of Yas. Back to you, Gaurav.
Suryagni, for the moment, many thanks. There's more breaking news that's coming in.